The new elution 2 assembly digital assistance system from Elabo is designed to intelligently digitize complex assembly processes and fast. The intuitive user interface makes it easy to get started. Step-by-step work instructions individually adapted to the employee's qualifications guide the user through the assembly process. This helps avoid errors, improves ease of comprehension and reduces search times. Productivity increases significantly. Data can be exchanged with other systems without any programming effort, as can the integration of devices and tools via OPC UA. Application-specific data is automatically collected, documented and managed in a structured manner. This leaves more time for the essentials, namely error-free assembly. The design of the work plans is simple and intuitive. This means even complex assembly processes can be digitized quickly. Thanks to digital variant management, a large number of product variants can be mapped in just a few master plans. The platform-independent system can be used in all assembly areas via mobile and stationary browser-based clients. Due to the responsive design, the software adapts to different end devices. Simple smart assembly with elution 2 assembly from Elabo.